Welcome back. Now, when you are setting up a list for the first time, whether you're going to be using a form or not, one of the considerations you're going to need to make is whether you want to have an individual go through a double opt-in process. And you will typically be setting this up in the list default settings. And you're looking at a list inside of MailChimp, and you'll notice here that we would need to enable double opt-in. In most cases, when you set up a list, double opt-in will be enabled by default. And when you're looking to set up a list inside of Aweber, for example, you can have the double opt-in confirmation sent for certain list signups, and others you can have it turned off. So for example, if you're going to be adding an individual through a third-party integration, you can have the confirmation turned on or off. If you're going to be importing subscribers using a CSV file, you can specify this. Again, this is specific to Aweber. And if you're going to be using an Aweber sign-up form, you can have an individual send the confirmation, and you can turn this on and off. Now, when the individual confirms their email here in Aweber, we can have that individual sent to a specific URL. Now, coming back to MailChimp, assuming that you're going to enable double opt-in, that means that the individual, when they are signed up or when they sign up, they're going to get an email from MailChimp confirming that they have signed up. It's a good idea to customize the email that the individuals are going to be getting. So you go to your sign up forms. You're then going to go to your form builder. Once you get to the form builder, what you're going to do is you're going to customize the email. And you're going to see the opt-in confirmation email. You're going to see an email that the individual is going to get when they are confirming their subscription. Now, because most people are going to send out this email by default, this will sometimes trigger a spam filter. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to edit this message, and you're going to want to make a few changes to this email to make it individual to your brand. You'll see the title has been changed. We're also going to make a few changes here to the message. Now, it's not a good practice to include in the confirmation email a sales message or links. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to keep the subject to making sure that they confirm to complete the sign-up process. Now, there are more elements that we need to detail in this double opt-in confirm process. We will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.